This is a fire truck kiddie ride by Epark. This better work or else. So this has a button on the coin slot, which is nice. It's free to play, so let's try it. Ready? Earthquake. Well, this song is called the Earthquake Song by Baby Bus. This is a new arrival, including this London train. If you want me to fill it, I'm gonna say a big yes. Stay calm. I like this Epark fire truck thing. Holding your head. Take this step, do not panic and be prepared.
Earthquake. Don't panic.
Fire ST. I'm not sure what is the meaning of that ST that says on the siren. Look around. Let me do this. Press down hard. When you hear people, you can shout.
Keep in mind, the help will come. Cover mouth, nose, and your head.
Hide your body under the desk.
Don't use elevator, take the stair. Do not panic
And be prepared.
Keep in mind, the help will be here.
This song is called The Wheels on the Bus by Muffin Songs, which I reversed.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and
I actually reversed this song. You check it.
round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go
Swish, swish, swish,
swish, swish, swish, swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go
swish, swish, swish
all
through the town.
The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the
Like I said in the previous video, this button is now a channel changing button.
doors on the bus go beep beep beep, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. The horns on the bus go beep beep beep.
All through the town.
The gas on the bus goes glug glug glug, glug glug glug, glug glug glug. The gas on the bus goes glug glug glug, all through the town. The money on the bus goes clink clink clink, clink clink clink, clink clink clink. The money on the bus goes clink clink clink, all
Through the town.
the baby on the bus goes wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah. The baby on the bus goes wah wah wah.
All through the town. This was my favorite song when I was a kid. The Wheels on the Bus.
The people on the bus sing
Swish, 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 swish.
all through the town. The mommy on the bus says, I love you, I love you.
If you're wondering why the wheels are not lighting up, that's because they are jammed. Sad. Now this is the ABC song by Little Baby Bum. The MP5 Epark Rides also played this song. I saw it in Lucy Stewart's video.
Cow. Duck. Elephant. Fish. Girl.
Oh, it stopped. So I'm gonna give it another go. Nice to meet you too. The Hello song by Baby Bus.
Hello, hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, 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 hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hello, 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 hello.
Hello. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.
Nice to meet you, nice to meet. I heard this song in the Epark London train in real life. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Goodbye, goodbye.
There are so many foods. Let's meet them all.
This is Jelly on a Plate by Baby Bus.
Jelly on a plate.
I wonder why every Epark MP5 Kiddie ride plays Baby Bus songs,
Jelly on a plate.
but not just Baby Bus songs.
Whipple wobble, jelly on a plate. Hey, jelly is so soft. Sausage in a pan. Hi. Sausage in a pan. Hi. Sizzle, 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 sizzle,
Sizzle, sizzle, bang.
Hi. Sausage in a pan. Sausage in a pan. Sizzle, 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 sizzle,
Sizzle, sizzle, bang.
Sizzling sound makes me hungry. Popcorn in a pot. Yeah. Popcorn in a pot.
Yeah,
Popping, popping,
never stopping popcorn in a pot.
Yeah. Popcorn in a pot. Yeah. Popcorn in a pot. Yeah. Popping, popping, never stopping. Popcorn in a pot. Yeah. Popcorn is popping everywhere. Jelly on a plate. Jelly on a plate. Whipple wobble, jelly on a plate. Jelly on a plate. Jelly on a plate. Whipple wobble, jelly on a plate.
But good thing the siren lights aren't jammed. Now this is Lullaby and Goodnight by Baby Bus. I heard this song in the Epark MP5 Rabbit Kiddie ride on last June 2023.
Silvery beams bring you sweet dreams. Close your eyes now and rest. May these hours.
Oh, it's over. And that was the MP5 Fire Truck Kiddie ride by Epark. I'm gonna film the London train, so goodbye for now.